evening. Your time now is 5:52. I'm Jeanette Reyes with breaking news. You've got hair problems, and we've got solutions. Viewer questions have been pouring in, and the first one is a tale as old as time. I love using heat on my hair, but it's getting so damaged. Help. I tell you, heat is like the boyfriend that you can't break up with. Let me introduce you to your new boo. This is the K18 Conditioning Heat Protectant, and what's great about this one is that it shields your hair from heat of up to 450 degrees, all while conditioning it. Great for your curls. If you want to protect your curl pattern, you really can't go wrong with this one. My hair is fine and always falls flat no matter how I style it. I've got the solution for you here. K18's AstroLift gives you a little bit of mucho con más. It gives you all the volume you need and really makes your hair come alive. Voluminous will be your new word of the year with this product. Our next viewer says, I've been coloring my hair for decades. Where do I start? First of all, do you see this? Let me show you something. Let me introduce you to K18's Leave-In Hair Mask. We love a multifaceted queen because whether it's bleach, color, or heat, she's the answer to all of your problems. And we can all relate to this one. I work out a lot and never know how often to wash my hair. K18's AIrWash Dry Shampoo gives you everything you need and none of the stuff you don't want. And yes, I'm talking about that white residue, flaky stuff. Brand new looking hair without the strong fragrance. Next up, I love a good protective hairstyle, but I want to keep it fresh. Say less. K18's Molecular Repair Hair Oil does just that and more. It repairs your hair from within, tames the frizz, and is lightweight, so you can keep that protective hairstyle for as long as you want, and it smells amazing. And last but not least, any tips for embracing my natural curls? The key is to get to know your hair and keep it moisturized and nourished. K18's Leave-In Molecular Hair Mask really checks all of the boxes. It keeps it moisturized, defines your curls, and keeps that bounce so that you love your curl pattern.